wonder, how do astronauts breathe in space?
Every question is an adventure. Let's go find out.
Wow! We're on a spaceship! And I can breathe!
One way is simple. They pack their air in big, special tanks.
But what happens when the air in the tank runs out?
Great question. For long trips, they make their own air. From water.
From water? You can get air from water? Wow!
Yes, we use a trick to split the water into two parts. One part is the oxygen we breathe. And we have another helper. Space plants.
Plants? Like in my garden? They have space gardens?
Exactly. Plants breathe in our old air and give us fresh, new oxygen to breathe.
Wow! So our Earth is like a giant spaceship, and the trees are our air makers.
You got it! Earth is the most special spaceship of all. It's our wonderful home.
I love our Earth spaceship. It's the best!
It sure is. Keep asking questions, Shaurya. The universe is full of wonders.
Wow, that was so much fun! Did you like it too?
Click subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an adventure.